Hello and welcome to the brief guide on using the rank tracker in the SEOKart app. From the left-hand side menu panel, go to the rank tracker feature. Click on the Add Keyword button to add relevant keywords and competitors to track your store's rank. In the keyword input box, enter the keyword you wish to track. You can also benefit from the keyword suggestion tool by clicking on the View More Keywords button. Enter your target keyword and you'll see various suggestions. Select the ones you want to add for the rank tracking. You will see that the new keywords have been added. Now choose your preferred Google location and select the device you want to track. Confirm the search engine, which will be set to google.com as per the location, and then select the language you wish to track. Save your specifications by clicking on the Submit button. You can also add your competitors for a comparative analysis. Simply add your competitor in the input box or take suggestions from the right-hand side of the screen and click on the Submit button. Now, return to the previous screen. All the keyword you submitted will be displayed here with their current ranks. Click on the I button to check the best and worst ranking position of the keywords over time. You can also see if the keyword is ranking on the SERP features, such as site links, images, videos, and featured snippets. And that concludes our overview of using the rank tracker in the SEOKart app to monitor your keyword rankings.